Hi everyone, I'm Shirley. In this video, I'll review an assistive technology tool called Kurzweil 3000. Kurzweil 3000 is a text-to-speech software designed to read both digital and scanned text aloud, which can be especially helpful for students with reading disabilities, decoding difficulties, or attention challenges. Kurzweil is great for its multisensory approach, combining visual and audio input to enhance reading comprehension and fluency. The platform also includes features that supports writing, note-taking, and studying, making it a powerful tool for supporting diverse learning needs. Next, let's jump into the demonstration of Kurzweil's key features. Let's start at the Universal Library, which is the home screen after you log in. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with folders. You can create private folders under your name, access public folders, or use the templates for essay writing or brainstorming. On the right, you can upload documents from your computer, Google Drive, OneDrive, or Bookshare. Once your file is uploaded, it will appear in the list below. At the top, you'll see several icons. First is the save icon to save your change as you work. Under the document view menu, you can also change the size to fit your need, or rotate the page, change colors, and more. Under the audio option menu, you can choose a reading voice and even pick different language or accents, adjust the reading speed, select how much text gets highlighted, and set the reading mode. To begin reading, just click the play button in the center. You can also rewind or fast forward through the content. If you want the text to highlight but stay salient, click on the audio icon to mute the voice. Over on the left, the bookmark feature lets you mark your place. Add a label and click add. It will show up in red. Now let's check out the reference tools. Place your cursor before a word and open the reference menu. Here you'll find a dictionary for its definition, a picture dictionary for visual support, synonym for a built-in thesaurus, and translation tools to translate to different language. Kurzweil also has great note-taking tools. Click the highlighter icon to choose color. Switch to tools like circle or cross out. You can also customize each color based on its features. Export the highlights to column notes or study guides. Under the document notes menu, you can add sticky notes, text notes, just without a customizable background color, or voice notes. For example, I say hello. You can also integrate the text-to-speech function when turn it on. Hi, I like it. In the voice note, you can simply record, save. Here is created. You can also add a bubble note, which can be good for students generating self-check questions or for teachers to create questions for assessment. There are different questions types you can create, such as true or false, multiple choice questions. When you save it, it's created. And of course, you can delete the notes and also print the notes. When creating your note, you can also use the word prediction, or you can use the spell check to support your writing. And also you can use the dictionary synonyms or translation to further support. Kurzweil also has features for writing. Now back in the library, click Write to start a new document. You can choose from a new brainstorm map for visual planning, an outline for structure your thoughts, a draft, or column notes. Each writing tool supports speech-to-text, word prediction, and spell check, as we mentioned before. Lastly, Kurzweil supports test-taking. Teachers can create quiz documents or scan paper tests and control what tools students can access. Under the document view, they can log the features they don't want the students to access, for example, reading. The logged features will appear gray and stay disabled until they are unlocked. Teachers may also want to set a document password to ensure the text security. I personally found the interface intuitive and the features very flexible, supporting different accessibility and study needs, but it can be a little bit overwhelming at first. Some icons are not immediately clear, and it took time for me to figure out the differences between different note types, for example. To support classroom integration, I recommend providing students with basic training. Video tutorials are available on the Kurzweil website, which are very easy to understand. Also, having teachers scaffold early use and be available to answer questions can make a big difference in helping students get comfortable with the tool. In terms of strength, Kurzweil has several features that directly support reading comprehension, like bimodal reading. This is when text-to-speech highlights the words as it reads them aloud so that students can follow along with their eyes. adjustable speed settings, and speech level playback with high-quality human-like voice options. It's also very device-friendly. It works on Macs, PCs, tablets, and Chromebooks, and is available both as software and through a web subscription. In the classroom, it supports both independent and group learning. Students can read on their own, take notes, organize ideas, share work, and even take tests within the platform. Despite the benefits, there are some limitations to consider. First, the cost can be quite high, although school licenses may help reduce that barrier. It also requires headphones and a relatively quiet space, which isn't always available in a busy classroom. Also, some students may worry about standing out or being judged using this tool if they are the only one using it in the classroom. Kurzweil can support a wide range of users. It's especially helpful for those with dyslexia, ADHD, and other learning disabilities, as well as students with visual impairments. It's also useful for English language learners and those who struggle with writing tasks like editing or reviewing. What's great is that this tool is not limited to one age group. It can be used from elementary school all the way through post-secondary education. Therefore, it can support students with special needs in the long term. Kurzweil can address a wide range of academic challenges. First, it supports reading stamina and fluency. Elkind's research shows students could focus longer, reread less, and increase reading speed. For students with decoding or comprehension issues, the text-to-speech features supports independent reading and understanding, according to the Park and colleagues' research. It's also effective for vocabulary development, especially for English language learners. Huang and Liao found students gained significantly more vocabulary using TTS in an unassisted reading. Although without research evidence, I believe Kurzweil also supports writing and organization and helps those with language expression or memory challenges through its rich features. All of these skills are mapped in the learning profile diagram on the right. REAP is a learning strategy that stands for Read, Encode, Annotate, and Ponder. Students begin by identifying the writer's message, rephrasing it in their own words, annotating for clarity or collaboration, and finally reflecting through questions or discussion. REAP helps with comprehension, writing, memory, and critical thinking. It's ideal for grade 4 to 12, especially for those facing learning challenges. It works well with both independently and in-group learning. Now let's look at how Kurzweil 3000 align perfectly with each REAP step through its built-in features. Kurzweil can work hand-in-hand with the REAP strategy. In the read phase, a text-to-speech with human voices and bimodal reading encourage fluency, focus, and comprehension with adjustable speed for personalized pacing. For encode, students can paraphrase and jot down their comments using sticky notes and voice notes.
They like different kinds.
Also, they can use the reference tools to improve vocabulary. In the annotate phase, students can emphasize or clarify key messages also using the notes or with a highlight cursor. Finally, during the ponder, Kurzweil allows students to export the notes to create study guide or column notes. They can also use bubble notes for self-questioning or organize thoughts visually or textually in a separate document for group sharing, for example, like this brainstorming template. Overall, Kurzweil 3000 is not just a text reader. It's a feature-rich literacy tool that supports diverse learners and inclusive classrooms. When paired with the REAP strategy, it encourages active and reflective reading, helping students build comprehension and independence. Thank you for listening.